All right. Thank you so much.
Very welcome. Nice to see you.
Annabelle's got a book. And where can people buy your book?
Here it's on Amazon and it's in chapters.
It's on Amazon.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It is all about being woefully underprepared for everything.
Hey,
Look who it is.
Hello, we're back.
supposed to show you an
Did
embalming machine.
you miss us? An embalming machine?
Yeah.
Did you test it out? Does it work?
It does. You look a little younger.
That's good. I might need it too.
A hookah. Holy.
What? Really?
Yeah.
So you'd have your two liquids.
Yeah.
And then they would come up and through the one hose together into the body.
Yeah.
Weird.
The formaldehyde. And
There's something in one of them. That bottom one has.
Oh yeah, it still has liquid in it.
They flip over.
Oh,
$5 to drink that.
Oh,
$5. Like.
but I know you guys are into the weird and the wonderful.
We are,
A
yeah.
little too weird for our liking, but
You think
it's
so?
pretty neat.
It is pretty neat.
You know, I think it would look good with if it was wired and there was lights in it.
Gum.
Look at this, Karen. Ship's lantern.
Wow. So that's brass.
This is my favorite one here. That one.
Holy, it's huge. I've never seen one that big.
It hung at the back of the ship, so I could tell.
Oh, so it had to be big, right? Because the other ships are looking for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I have a foghorn.
Is it loud?
I'll go blow it right.
So many people pee their pants.
Many people leave. Oh, look at the phone here.
I was looking at this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's only 65. I think we need that, don't we?
Yeah, that's nice.
It's a wedding. Although she doesn't look very happy. Oh, he doesn't either.
No, he doesn't look
They
very
look like
happy either.
siblings.
Kinda.
Maybe that's why they're
Maybe
so.
that's why they're so displeased.
Yeah, I think we need this, don't we?
Sure.
That's nice. We'll beat him down a bit on the price because that's what he likes.
Oh yeah.
He likes
You
that.
would think we didn't like him anymore if we didn't beat him up.
I think so.
Price.
There it is.
Look what I found.
Isn't that cool?
Oh,
Picked this up in Newfoundland.
Wow.
that is loud.
Holy
That's
smokes.
surprisingly loud.
Yeah.
I was expecting some sort of a, like not to blow into it, you know? But I don't.
These are kind of cool.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah. Oh, what are those
Fleur-de-lis.
from?
Those look like bedposts or something. Fleur-de-lis.
Yeah. I think they're
That's cool. Oh yeah, there's two of them. Those
Probably
are
on the end of the bedposts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
French bed.
cool. Those
Obviously.
are really neat. What else is?
And
Oh
most of
yeah.
that stuff gets
At
thrown
first
in
I thought they were
the
legs, but then when you picked it up, you
Yeah.
realized
Oh,
they go on top.
stuck on me. Neat. Yeah, those are pretty neat, hey?
Yeah, they are.
blue glass. The only one.
Look at this. That's big.
Yeah, I thought ours were big.
Yeah, that's big.
That's nice. Look at that, would look awesome outside too.
Yeah, brass birds.
Yeah. Cool. place is huge. Oh my God.
Velvis.
Velvis?
Velvis. There he is. I've made a Velvis sighting.
Oh my God.
$45.
What a deal. I wonder if Ada knows that. $5 shelf. Because everything's... Oh, except for those hat pins. That's kind of interesting. And the holder.
Oh, yeah.
So, can you... How do you get in here?
45.
Oh. How come it says second shelf, all items $5 each?
Hairpin holder and 4 pins, $45. Should I go get Gary?
Yeah, maybe.
What's up?
Karen is interested in the hat pin holder and the pins there.
Okay, the hat pin holder's got a little crack in it. Or a little chip in it.
Now we weren't sure, it's got a price tag on it, but then you've got this here, so
Yeah, it's
I don't know
$5.
what...
It's $5?
These hat pins are $5 for these and $5 for that.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do
It
it.
has that little
Yeah,
chip.
that's okay. Yeah, okay.
Look at this thing, hey? Is this a meat slicer? Yeah.
Looks like it.
And oh, look at this scale. The
Wow.
scale.
Oh, look at these little shoes. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Oh, look at this. Cool.
Yeah, wow. Look at that. And then he's
Yeah.
got this here.
What is it?
Indenture. Land indenture dated 1873.
Neat.
Wow. This
Yes.
is a real... An
These are-
indenture, like, is that like a deed?
Yeah, probably. Like maybe,
That is cool.
or when you're given some land.
$195. I mean, it's probably worth about, like, I've never seen anything like that, so
No.
that is rare. Wow.
Look at this thing. I like the marble on it. No, that doesn't open. There's a drawer there. Neat. $5. Aw.
You've seen these before.
No, you didn't have these ones. When I was...
little pile of stuff. You picked up the whole bunch.
Did it? Were they?
Yeah.
Oh. Aw, look at that one. That's pretty cute.
And this one?
Oh yeah, it's These are only $3. Do you think we should get them?
I don't know. That's totally up to you, babe. This one almost looks like Kelly.
The beard looks like him.
The mustache.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this sign. Whiz fly fume.
Wow, hey. Desk.
Like a dentist's.
Oh, I'm sure it's $1 million. Here. Oh.
It's free.
Oh, good. It's less than I thought it was going to be. It's gorgeous. Oh God, I love those little drawers.
I know
why.
you do.
I don't know what's wrong with me. Like
Nobody
can't-
knows what's wrong with you.
I can't help it. I know. There's so many things. Like
It's hard to pinpoint.
We
narrow
just-
it down to just one thing.
we do not have time to get into that right now. Oh, look at how cute this is.
Yeah.
We have one of these in our backyard.
Yes, in our flower bed.
Oh, here's how much was this bookcase? $1,300. This is cute. Very 50s.
Yes, isn't it?
Yes. So stylish.
Really nice.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like how it's like, looks like it should be being pulled behind a car, you know, like
Well,
those.
it looks like a car in the 50s.
Totally.
Yeah.
Or even the trailers you'd pull behind your car.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean.
Or
Yeah.
behind the bike.
Yeah.
Yes.
You got it.
Did we go in here?
Oh. No.
No. Oh, look at this. This is cute. Oh, that's nice. Look at these little doors. Oh. Wow. Oh, what's that?
1891.
What is it?
Or is this a reproduction? Edwin Poole Express. To certify that Mr. John Davis Jones has been student of Congressional Memorial College for 4 years with a view to the work of the ministry and has passed through the prescribed course of study, that he leaves the institution with the approval of the committee and is hereby recommended to the confidence of the churches. So this was for like a priest or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
When they got confirmed into the priesthood.
Neat.
That is really neat.
These are cute. Milk glass.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I was like, oh no.
There are some old books right like here.
Oh,
These big ones at the bottom.
oh my gosh.
Dictionaries.
We have that one. We don't need any more dictionary.
No.
These are kind of neat. Ooh, they're pretty. I want ones that have a picture on them. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yes. On the edge of the pages.
Yes. Those are so neat. Donna said she finds any, she's going to get it for me and send it to me.
Okay.
I was like, please. I said, I'll pay for 1888.
Wow.
Yeah.
History on this cute little box.
What was in it, do you think?
I just
What I think was in it, I think it was cufflinks and a
Pin tie?
Tie.
Or
Do you
whatever,
think
tie
so?
pin?
They're so small.
But wouldn't the tie pin have more of a?
Yeah, it would be longer. Yeah, it would be like, yeah, more. Oh, sure.
I'm not sure.
Just curious.
Tiniest little bird eggs.
Yeah, I know. It's interesting.
I just,
You guys want to cash in, cash out?
Yeah, see what kind of deal you're gonna give me today.
How bad we can be. Yep, today.
Yeah.
158 N18.
Oh, and you got all this for 10. Those were 10, hey?
Yeah, and then I don't know what he wants to do on these guys.
Anyway, she was the, you okay with $15?
They're going to charge more money for painting.
Thanks again, Gary.
Hey, it's always a pleasure. And if you want an embalming machine,
We know where to find
where to
one.
find one.
Your antique fountain of youth, eh?
Yeah, that's right. That must be where you're using. That's why all the liquid's gone.
Yeah,
He's been using it just a little bit every day.
Yeah, you can.
Rub, rub, rub.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I wish everybody was like you guys. I thought.
What, cheap?
Are you? Yeah.
No, just nice people. Not enough nice people in there.
Well, we try, you know. It's easy with you because we like you.
Thank you. Well, I like you guys.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Okay, see you, buddy.
See you, Gary.
$5 for these, and $5 for that.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do
It
it.
has that little
Yeah,
chip.
that's okay. Yeah. Okay.
You just take it, you just put that aside, or?
Where you use? Okay. I'm like, where are you going?
It's like, no, I don't want to sell it now.
Yeah, I changed my mind. Oh.